This is Bill Donohue, President of GenEdge. I want to thank you today for visiting our showcase of innovative Virginia manufacturers. Through our retooling initiative done in partnership with Go Virginia, these companies from all over the Commonwealth are producing new products, capabilities, capacities, and services to serve our critical industrial sectors. Through these efforts, we're reducing our dependency on overseas sources of supply, improving supply chain resiliency, serving markets such as agriculture, DoD, PPE, medical device, transportation, equipment, semiconductors, cloud computing, and others. We have a lot to be proud of here in Virginia. Please take a moment to review the capabilities of these fine businesses. And if you might see a match for your future supply chain needs, I ask you to contact them directly. Thank you.